Hey guys, what's up? Natalie here from Serpwizz. Welcome back to our channel, and today we will be discussing about batch analysis, which is one of the extra tools and features that comes with registering and purchasing a plan from Ahrefs. So as you can see here, I'm on the Ahrefs landing page, and if you scroll down to the bottommost part, you would see the set of extra tools and features you will be able to use them if you sign up with Ahrefs. Okay, so as I have mentioned, we're doing batch analysis today, and you just click on that and you will be directed to another page here with the information of what you can expect from this extra tool and feature. So what exactly does batch analysis do? So it is a feature or a tool that you can use to check backlinks in bulk. So we know how important backlinks are when we're doing content or when we're publishing web pages, because those are links that are directing back from or to our pages from established and popular web pages that are frequently or often visited by readers and customers. So batch analysis will allow you to list or put a list of 200 individual URLs and then check those for the following metrics, and then it will generate a report which you can use to improve your SEO performance. And this is a very useful tool because instead of manually going through individual reports for this much or this many URLs, you would be able to do them in one go. You just need to have a list of those URLs and then put those in this tool, and you would be able to get a result right away. As I've mentioned, these are the SEO metrics that you will be getting, and these are very useful information for you because you need to have these to understand better what to work on your website or on the content that you publish. And here you have a look on how it is when you utilize the batch analysis tool. So you insert all of the URLs here up to 200. So you can either put on 200 or fewer, depends on you. And then these are filters that you can work on, and then you get the results right over here. You can either view the results directly on the tool itself, or you can generate it in the form of a CSV file, and then you can then plug it into the analysis tool of your choice. So it depends on you. But that is the quick and easy way to use this extra feature from Ahrefs, which you will be able to get once you sign up for an account and purchase a plan from Ahrefs. So that is it for batch analysis. We will be doing more of the extra tools and features. So please stay tuned in, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.